I definitely started medical school and OB-GYN was not even on my radar. I really explored a lot of different specialties and options, and I think, it chose me more than I chose it. And I just couldn't shake that calling to OB-GYN and haven't looked back from there. So the most rewarding aspect of my job is really being able to change people's lives. And it's so incredibly rewarding to have patients come back after a surgery or after they've started treatment, and just to have their quality of life improved and to feel so much better, and to be able to help people in that way is just so awesome. I really love the relationships that I get to make with my patients and to care for them through a lifetime. And that, some of what drew me to OB-GYN is to be able to help them navigate preventative care and fertility, and to work through a healthy pregnancy and cheer with a successful delivery, and discuss GYN care and problems, and help them inform that trusting relationship through a lifetime. I like to engage the other side of my brain, the creative side. So medicine is very scientific at times, although it's an art. So when I'm not at work, I like to paint or do crafts or cook and try new recipes. So season is crawfish season. I love crawfish boils, and it's so unique to Louisiana, and so that's my favorite time of year with the weather and the good food. And my favorite holiday is Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is the big party, and you don't have to really plan anything or go shopping, and you can just show up and have fun.